In today's video, I will walk you through how to contact Telegram support. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you're experiencing a problem with your Telegram account, have a question about a feature, or need to report an issue, Telegram offers several official ways to contact its support team. While responses may take some time depending on the type of request, using the correct support option will help ensure your issue reaches the appropriate team. First, go to Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, and tap Ask a Question. A prompt will appear explaining that this connects you to a network of volunteer support specialists. When you are ready, tap the Start button. When you submit a ticket here, you are messaging the official Support Volunteers chat. Keep your message short, clear, and professional. Because these are volunteers handling thousands of tickets daily, vague or rude messages get filtered out immediately. Response times can range anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. If your issue involves a bug or technical problem, consider including screenshots if the support option allows file attachments. Visual evidence can help explain the issue more clearly and may reduce the need for additional follow-up questions. For login problems, account recovery, or security concerns, carefully follow the instructions provided by Telegram. Never share your verification codes, passwords, or two-step verification password with anyone claiming to be support. Official Telegram support will not ask you to reveal this sensitive information. After submitting your request, monitor the email address or contact method you used in case the support team responds with additional questions or instructions. Response times can vary depending on the volume of requests and the complexity of the issue, so some patience may be required. And that's how to contact Telegram support. By using the official support channels and providing clear, detailed information, you'll give the support team the best chance of helping you resolve your issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.